What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna work on this Dodge Charger. We're gonna install some new brake pads and new rotors. It's in real hard, the steering is shaking whenever time I touch the brake. Let me show you guys that. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that? Yeah, and it's shaking underneath the car there also. So yeah, we're gonna take them off and then test drive it and see if that vibration is gonna go away. So I work on this car before. It's been a long time now, a few years. I replaced the alternator in this car here, and so now today we're gonna install some new brake pads and new rotors on the front. Car it's vibrating a lot whenever time you touch the brake, whole thing shaking and stuff. So we're gonna replace them and take it for a drive and see how it's performing. You know what I mean? It should be good still, but we're gonna show you guys that too. You know what I mean? Crack them like that. Do that before you jack it up. Alright, so we'll go ahead and jack it up now. Alright, so that's good enough guys. Go ahead now. Back these out. Back them out just like that. Okay guys, so we go ahead and remove the wheel. As I can see this burst right here guys, so we need a new one up here. This is no good. Yeah, so I think I hear a little bit of noise from that too. I'm gonna have to replace that. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna get started on this now. We're gonna remove this brake caliper. I'm gonna remove these two 13 bolts up here. There's one here and there's one on the other side down here. Pull those and make sure you have something to keep this up so it doesn't put any pressure on the brake line right here. Alright? Go ahead and back those up. Just pull the other one and hook it up. Okay guys, so I go ahead and remove the two bolts then right here. So go ahead and hook this right in here. I'm going to bring it over here a few times and keep it up. You know what I mean? I'm going to have to use my two hands. Yes guys, so that's how I do it. See that? So there is no strain on this line right here. So we can go ahead now and take out these brake pads. Now we're going to go ahead and pull off this bracket right here. There is this bolt around here right here. That's one. And there's another one down at the bottom. Go ahead and pull those and take this off. Yes guys, so the first bolt them, these one are 13. These one back here are 18s. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead and take that. So it look really rusty around here guys, so I'm just gonna spray some WD-40 and that. And then I'm gonna knock this off. So I guess it's hard to come off, so yeah, so that's it guys, we're gonna get the new one. Okay guys, so before we do anything else, we're gonna have to put this on. What you can do, you can always just put two of the lug them on here and just keep this on for now. Yeah, so and then we're gonna go ahead and take out these pin here, step them out just like that. We have the new ones here. Let's go ahead and put in the new one just like that guys, okay? Okay guys, I put on two lugs on here, so this is kind of, you know what I mean, stay in place. So put the 2 pins, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. Alright. Okay guys, so I go ahead and install back this bracket here. So what we're gonna do now, we'll go ahead and do that. We're gonna push in this cylinder here. Where is that tool? So I'm gonna use this tool. You can get these at Harbor Freight or on Amazon anywhere. So I put one of the old brake pads in here. So you just turn this piece here, and you're just gonna push it right in, guys. You want this piece to go all the way in here. All right. So I'm gonna do that. Before you try to attempt to put in the brake pads, make sure you do that first. All right. So these brake pads was still good. They have a lot of use still. See that, guys? They kind of tick a lot. Same way, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I know so the rotor was vibrating, but the vibration doesn't cause from these, it causes from the rotors, you know what I mean? So sometimes if you can't afford the brake pads and you know so your brake pad ain't good, you can go ahead and reuse them, guys. So you can just put a little bit of grease on the back there, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just slide it in right in at the pin right here. Okay guys, so after you slide in the 2 brake pads, then you can go ahead now and put this back on. I'm just gonna take this out of this, take time and slide it on. Slide it on just like that, then you go ahead and catch back your 2 bolts them. One up here and one on the bottom. And that's it. Okay guys, so now I'm on the other side. Just go ahead and back out these bolts here again. So this one come off pretty easy, guys. As I take off that bracket there, the whole thing just keep moving. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and drop on the new one now, guys. Same process. So if I try to push the brake pads in and it's tapping like tight, you can just take time and tap it in, you know what I mean? Just make sure you have it in this slot right here, like groove right here. Yeah, so we're just gonna push in back this cylinder here now, and then just put it over and tighten it, and that's it, guys. Okay guys, when I start it up, first thing you want to do is pump up the brake and make sure you have brake before you move it. When I just came in, you go all the way to the board because try push out those cylinders and stuff, so you have to pump it up so you can push back to the brake pads. All right, so let's go ahead and take it for a spin now. Okay guys, we're taking it for a spin again, looking for the vibration. So there's no vibration. I'm on the brake right now. Let me steering, there's no vibration. No more vibration, guys. That's what I'm talking about. We have an air show going on. You can see a bunch of planes together right here. Wow. They go way up in the sky and then coming back down. I need to go over there. Okay guys, so that's it. The job is complete. The car is running perfect. There's no more vibration going on. That's good. We're gonna put the link in the description for like the parts, guys. I'm gonna look them up on Amazon and make sure it's the correct one and everything. Put the link in the description, so if you guys want to purchase, you know, some of that, you can always click the link and it take you straight to Amazon, you know what I mean? And I have some merch. Selling, guys. You can check out the links in the description. Click the link, it take you straight to the store. You can go there and purchase something and give me a support, you know what I mean? All right, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.